This video will show you how to replace the front license plate bracket on a Ford Transit-250. This will be mounted to your front bumper cover. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Now if you have a license plate, you want to start by removing that. Typically it's held in place with 2 mounting bolts. After that, we'll start the removal process of our front license plate bracket. Now you're going to find that you have 2 rivets holding this in place. Let's remove each of those 2 rivets. For this, I'm using a 13/16 drill bit. I'm going to go along the center. Now once you've drilled out the center, typically you can remove the outer portion of this. We'll set that aside for proper disposal. Now let's do the same for the other. Same drill bit here. There it is, friend. Now prior to installation of any brand new part, let's make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. For this, I'm using a clean rag and some light detergent. Now after confirming that we've removed anything from inside of our mounting ports, we're going to continue on with the installation of the brand new license plate mounting bracket. We need to align the mounting ports. Your kit came with some brand new rivets, so just slide them through that license plate bracket in towards the front bumper. Now while I have those in place, I'm going to continue on with my rivet installer here. We'll continue on with installing each of these, making sure that this is fully tightened in the proper positioning. Double check to make sure that feels as though it's secured in place there. We'll continue on to the other side. Now let's just double check to make sure it's completely secured. In your kit, it did come with a spare rivet. That's for this area here. So we're going to continue on with a 1/4-inch drill bit. We'll make a new hole and install our 3rd rivet. A quick note about drilling this port is there is a portion of the metal bumper located behind. There we go. Let's get our rivet in place. Okay, we finished our installation. Let's make sure we clean up the area real quick, removing any miscellaneous debris. We'll just double check to make sure we're properly secured in place. At this point, you want to reinstall your front license plate. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.